enforcement.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, and Warren.
What? 162.47.
Some locations that will experience flooding.
Yeah. SVR and KZZ31.
In northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Lackawanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, central Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m.
Over here.
At 3:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Uniondale to Wallsville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour, and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carbondale, Artbald, Blakely, Clark Summit, Jessup, Honesdale, Damascus, Clifford, German, and Forest City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Binghamton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Wayne, Pennsylvania,